Exploring the phrase, hot topic. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, hot topic. If you've ever been curious about what this phrase means or how to use it in a conversation, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this together. Before delving into the idiomatic meaning, it's useful to understand the literal meanings. Hot, something that has a high temperature. Topic, a subject of discussion or conversation. But when combined, hot topic takes on a new meaning. In English, when we say something is a hot topic, we're not referring to the temperature of the subject. Instead, we mean a subject or issue that is currently very popular and widely discussed. It could be something in the news, a popular culture reference, a controversial issue, or even a trending fashion style. For example, if a new celebrity scandal breaks out, it might become a hot topic on social media and news outlets. To help you understand and use the phrase, here are some examples. 1. Climate change is a hot topic right now. Here, the speaker is emphasizing that climate change is widely discussed at the moment. 2. Did you hear about the new technology invention? It's the hot topic in our industry. This sentence highlights a popular discussion in a specific professional field. 3. Let's avoid discussing politics at the dinner table. It's always such a hot topic. In this case, the speaker suggests that politics tends to generate a lot of discussion and potentially disagreement. There you have it. The phrase, hot topic, is a wonderful way to describe something that's currently trending or widely discussed. English is filled with such vibrant idioms and phrases, and understanding them can really elevate your language skills. We hope you found this explanation useful. Stay curious, and keep exploring the world of English language learning.